If you are trying to start a POS business and you are very much interested in using Opay POS machine, in this video I'm just going to walk you through the whole process to know how much POS machine Opay POS machine cost. But basically, you have to be very careful because that's the first thing that will actually tell you. There are a lot of people out there who will say they are Opay agents and you can buy POS from them and they will offer you a very discount amount so you can actually patronize them. And once you send them your money, then you are gone. You're not gonna be able to reach out to them again. They'll block you in any midst of conversation you're actually having. So you have to be very careful out there when you are trying to get a POS machine for yourself. So Opay have different POS machine that you can actually use to run transaction or to kickstart your business. They also have a mini POS, which of course it's actually limited. So people that run POS business don't want to go for this mini POS because they won't be able to perform different transactions with this particular one. But the smart one is one of the best one that people are actually using to run this transaction or to kickstart the business. So if you walk down to opayweb.com, you're gonna see this particular option. So sorry. So this is a page for the mini POS machine. And if you go through this business page, you're gonna see the Opay business page. So I'll walk you through the whole process. And at the end of this video, you're gonna know how much you are going to be paying if you are very much interested in getting the Opay POS machine. So this is Opay website through the official website. So you can see the interface, and this is the official website. So you have to be very careful out there when you are trying to reach out to Opay. So walking you through different options and what Opay is strictly all about, and what are the benefits you can actually get from Opay. And you can also download the app through the Google Play Store and Apple App Store using their website. So, and you can also see the reviews that people are actually talking about Opay and how this platform have helped different people out there to be able to succeed. So you can also see their customer support center. So you see how it looks like and how they interact with customer support, with their customers. And these are the phone numbers, which of course you can reach out to them. So you can see if you are using the app and you have some queries, this is the phone number you can reach out to. And if you are running a POS business and you want to make some inquiries, this is the number you're gonna call, or you can call this particular number. So these are the contact phone number you can reach out to. And I'm gonna tell you at the end of this video how to get in touch with the customer support. So in case you want to make some inquiry about the POS business. So this is the official OPay business page website. So you can see they are licensed by CBN and insured by NDIC. And if you scroll down, you're gonna see uh, some other features inside it. So I make some research about how much does it cost for uh, OPay POS if you are very much interested in getting one. So the person that actually told me about the POS said he paid nothing less than 25,000 naira to get the POS machine, the smart one, I mean. So you can do different transactions on that particular one. But then if you are very scared about don't want to get scammed. So the best thing I will advise you to do is contact them through their email address. And if you can contact them through their email address, if you're in Lagos, you can visit this particular address, plot 9, Dr. Nuruddin Oluwo Avenue. So you can reach out to this particular place. And there are some other places that Opay is actually available. They have their office in there. And if you can't do that, you can also do the same thing from here by uh, reaching out to them through their contact support. You can see through their phone number. So you can make inquiries about Opay and how to go about it. You can also see some USSD code here, which of course will help you to make some different transactions on exactly what you need. So don't go out on Facebook reaching out or trying to reach out to Opay. Lots of people are there. They are willing to scam you. They are very much ready for you. They are even running an ads on social media in order to scam people. So you have to be very careful out there so you know the kind of people you want to transact with. And if they tell you to pay some certain money, or if you notice some different uh glitch or some kind of strange move, I advise you to just back off or block the person from reaching out to you. So this is the best advice I would definitely give out to you. And if you're interested in getting the mini POS, so what you just need to do is just fill out this form. So, and you can also see, do you have a POS terminal? So you can select some options here, fill in your email address, then your contact phone number, if you are already a merchant and your state, then your city. So after that, you can just click on submit and they will definitely get back to you. You can also see for the OPay mini POS specialist, you can also reach out to this mobile phone number and you can also navigate to this particular section to give them more insight about your business. So how many OPay mini do you need? If you need more than one mini, sorry, if you need more than one mini POS, you can just navigate to this particular aggregator page so you can reach out to them and discuss about your business. So you can also reach out to the documentation here, and I'm very sure you're gonna be able to find anything you wanna solve out as easy as it should be. So I hope you are able to benefit one or two from this video, and if you have any question, you can let me know through the comment section below and I will try as much as possible to provide an answer to your request. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next one. Peace.